Greetings. In this video, we're going to troubleshoot an HP printer not turning on any longer. It doesn't matter if you have an old version HP, if it's 15, 20 years old, if you got a new version of an HP printer. My specific printer is an HP Envy 4502, but again, it will work with any printer. Now, we're going to troubleshoot a few different methods. First thing I want you to do is unplug it from the wall and then take your printer to another location in the home to make sure it's not that it's not the actually AC outlet that's working. And then after you try that, check other devices on that specific outlet, like a hair dryer or smartphone or some electronic on it. And if those don't work, then hey, it's not your printer, it's just that outlet that's been tripped up. A lot of times the outlets will have like a little reset button on it that you can just push on it. That may be what's the issue. Okay, after you've tried that, now what I want you to do is reset the power module. So basically what you're doing is you're draining any existing power that's in the power cord or in the printer itself. So the power cords could look different on different printers. Some of them will actually have a brick like this. I like to call it a brick. It's actually a power module itself or an adapter. And some will only have this going in to the printer. It's basically a figure 8 non-polarized power cord that looks like this. So it may look like this, or it may be a polarized AC power cord that's got like a little box on it, like a little box on one end. So it could be that. So what I want you to do is unplug everything. If you do have a brick, unplug the cord out of the brick, unplug it out, the AC cord out of the printer itself. Now if you got the brick, a lot of times that power cord will be like a 3-hole prong that clips into the HP. Doesn't matter, it still works. Take that out, take it out the wall, wait a good 15-20 minutes. So basically you're resurging and taking the power out of both the adapter and the printer, and then plug everything back in to the printer, to the wall, and then see if that will work. Now if that doesn't work, what we're going to do is do a reset of the HP printer. So in order to reset the HP printer, I want you again, plug everything out, unplug the power cord from the printer, and then what I want you to do is hold down the power button for a good 20 to 25 seconds. Just keep holding it down while it's unplugged. And then after you do that, what I want you to do is plug it back in and then hold down the power button while it's plugged in for another 20 to 25 seconds. And then hit the power cord once and then tell me if that works. Now, if you've tried that, next thing I want you to do is troubleshoot the power cord itself. It could be broken. It could be this portion, which is the power brick, or it could be this portion, which is the AC adapter. Your printer may only be using an AC adapter. That's good. So what I want you to do, either one, I want you to look around your home and see if you can find another one of these. And it doesn't matter which device it is. You're not going to short circuit anything or damage any electronics, because they all pretty much are the same voltage, which is like around 220 volts or less. So you might have an Xbox One, you might have a PlayStation, you might have an Apple TV, you might have a CPAP machine, you may have a coffee maker, you may have another printer, you may have a Toshiba laptop, HP laptop, Gateway laptop. Look on its power brick and pull that out and see if they're using the same cord that's used with your printer. If so, temporarily take that and then plug it directly into your printer or plug it into your power brick and then see if it'll work. So it could just be this portion that's broken, this right here, either polarized or non-polarized. Most of them are like this. It's called a non-polarized cord, and it looks like a figure 8. It's symmetric. And I'll put a link in the description or in the comment section where you can purchase these. They're usually less than 10 bucks. You can get them on Amazon, you can get them on eBay. They're pretty cheap. So if that doesn't work, and you tried it and you have a power brick, it could be just the power brick and the AC cord is good. So what I want you to do is read the model number on here, and then plug that into eBay or Amazon and see if you can purchase this part, get it in, and then see if that works. And with Amazon you have free returns, eBay you usually have free returns. And so if it doesn't work, then you could return it. But try this out, and that could be the issue with your printer. Now, like I said, these will actually sometimes be polarized, which has got like a little box on the end of one of these. you can get that, and I'll put that in the description. Or you can just go to Amazon and type in polarized AC cord that will fit into this portion right here. Okay, if that doesn't work, it's a good possibility your printer is just fried. It's no good any longer. Try to recycle it. I would highly encourage you to get another HP printer. Like I said, I had one. This one's actually lasted 8 years. The one before that lasted like 20 years. I love HP. Don't go with an Epson. You know, I think OfficeJets are pretty good, but don't go with an Epson because I've heard, you know, a lot of bad things about them. All right, thank you so much.
You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.